In this lesson, we are going to learn verb entendre. Entendre. Entendre means to hear. To hear verb in English we can use with all the subjects same. But in French it is different. For example, to hear I can use in English I hear, we hear, you see, heat, they, with all I can use here. But in French, the conjugation of hear is different with all the subjects, as well as the pronunciation is also changed. Now, let's see. I will explain step by step with correct pronunciation. You can repeat after me also. First, j'entends. J'entends. Actually, it is GE. After it is E. So here one E have to sacrifice because I said many times two vowel not come together in French. So that is why it's pronounced j'entends. It is not like GENENTRE. Okay. So it is j'entends. Tu entends. Tu entends. Il entend. Il entend. Elle entend. Elle entend. Now plural. Nous entendons. Nous entendons. Normally it is only we pronounce nous, but I pronounce here nous because next word start with vowel. So S sound like Z. Nous entendons. Vous entendiez. Vous entendiez. Here is also same. The S followed by vowel. So here S pronounced like Z. That is called liaison. Liaison in French. Next. Ils entendent. Ils entendent. Elles entendent. Elles entendent. Okay? Now I make some sentences with verb entendre. So you will be clear how to make sentence yourself also. First, j'entends la musique. J'entends la musique. Tu entends les oiseaux. Tu entends les oiseaux. Ils entendent quelque chose. Ils entendent quelque chose. Nous entendons un bruit étrange. Nous entendons un bruit étrange. Okay? Now the assignment of this lesson is learn verb entendre conjugate. Then you can write without seeing in the comment. That's mean you will come to know where actually you are making mistake if you write without seeing. Okay, so write yourself. First of all, you can learn. You can learn by with any technique. You can write 5 times, 10 times, or without writing. You can learn as per your choice. But mostly I suggest to the student what you should do. First of all, look, hide and write. Look, hide and write. This is the best technique to learn new language. If it is useful for you, then you can use yourself and then write. Okay. See you in the next lesson with more tricks and tips. Over.